Hair loss can be caused by many factors, including environmental toxins, aging, chronic stress, smoking, nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, genetics, infections, poor hair hygiene, drugs or medications, and of course health imbalances like thyroid problems, autoimmunity, and other chronic illnesses. The average scalp contains right around 100,000 strands of hair, and it's normal to lose hair daily. However, losing anything more than 50 to 100 strands in a day can be too much. The good news is that restoring the health of the hair is as simple as restoring overall health. There are many simple things one can do to treat hair loss right in their own home, some of them being completely free of charge. Whatever the cause, the best solution for hair loss is going to be identifying and removing that cause. Before trying any of these remedies, take a look at the major causes of hair loss mentioned above and seek the assistance of a holistic practitioner to rebalance the body. Number 1. Onion juice for hair growth. This remedy is regarded as one of most effective and oldest ones. The reason behind is that it contains sulfur that boosts collagen production in the tissues and helps in the regrowth of hair. Don't let its strong smell keep you away from using it, because it goes off just after one rinse. Number 2. Oil scalp massages. Scalp massages help stimulate the hair follicles to increase hair growth. Take any natural oil, olive, coconut, almond, add a few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil to it, and massage gently into your scalp. Put on a shower cap and leave it on for an hour, then shampoo your hair. Follow this remedy once a week. It smells great and is very relaxing. Your locks will seem thicker and stronger than ever. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. This vinegar gently cleanses the scalp and maintains the pH balance of the hair, thereby accelerating hair growth. Start for making a diluted solution by mixing 75 ml of it in 1 liter of water for a larger batch, or 15 ml of it to a cup of warm filtered water for a smaller batch. To apply this solution, use it as a final rinse after washing your hair. This will also give your hair an added shine and boost hair growth. Number 4. Make your own egg mask. This home remedy is used all over the world for quick and natural hair growth. As we know, eggs contain high levels of proteins which help in the formation of new hair. It is also rich in sulfur, zinc, iron, selenium, phosphorus and iodine. For the egg mask, separate 1 egg white in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can also use grapeseed oil or lavender oil, and honey. Make a paste of it and apply it all over your hair and scalp for about 20 minutes. Rinse it off with cool water and some shampoo. Number 5. Fenugreek. This herb is also an age-old remedy for hair growth problems. It contains proteins and nicotinic acid. Protein-enriched diets have been known to encourage stimulation of hair growth. Add a tablespoon of this herb and water in a grinder till a smooth paste it formed. Add a little coconut oil, or milk, to it and apply on your hair and scalp for half an hour. Wash it off with a mild shampoo. Not only will this remedy help you for hair growth, but it will also protect the natural color of your hair. Number 6. Indian gooseberry, Amla. This herb is also an age-old remedy for hair growth problems. It contains proteins and nicotinic acid. Protein-enriched diets have been known to encourage stimulation of hair growth. Add a tablespoon of this herb and water in a grinder till a smooth paste it formed. Add a little coconut oil, or milk, to it and apply on your hair and scalp for half an hour. Wash it off with a mild shampoo. Not only will this remedy help you for hair growth, but it will also protect the natural color of your hair. Number 7. Green tea. Now you have the perfect solution for those used tea bags that you throw away daily. Green tea, as you know, is super rich in antioxidants, and that helps in boosting hair growth and preventing hair loss. Apply warm green tea, from the used tea bags, over your scalp and leave it for an hour. Wash it off with cool water. Getting on board with these natural hair loss remedies can help a lot in preserving the hair you have and making it thicker and lusher in the process. However, despite doing everything right, there's always the chance that our genes may dictate that continued hair growth just isn't in the cards. We can't necessarily alter what nature has in store for us, but by using these natural remedies, we can slow the progression of hair loss and maintain healthy locks for as long as possible.